Brad Williams, XL Prime. How to import and clean data. This subject is huge, and we will touch maybe 1% of the import features within Excel and within Microsoft. I'm just going to give you a very brief briefing on importing and cleaning data. It's importing and cleaning data. Where you start is your data. You have to know where your data source is. You have internal data, you have external data. And what I mean by data, database. If you have information stored either on a thumb drive, on your hard drive, in a database, that's just data. And it's a matter of pulling that data from the data files into Excel. Here, it's just an overview of internal files. These are just the different internal files within your Excel protocol. All Excel files, and you can see Excel alone, 15 different file formats. Then you have the broken down into Excel files, HTML files, you have XML files, and text files, which are PRN, text, and CSV, on and on and on and on and on. And I'm going to touch on a little bit of this. By all means, this alone is a tutorial. I will introduce this later on, but let me just give you an overview. If you want to import data, go to data and you can get data. And here is just the beginning. From file, we can get from our Excel workbooks, from text, from XML forms, from JSON, from PDF, from folder, and from SharePoint. From database, well, we have SQL database, Microsoft Access database, analysis database, SQL Server, Oracle, IBM, MySQL, Postgres, SQL database, Sybase, SAP. From Azure, okay, we have Azure and all the various features. This is Excel, Microsoft's internal database structure. We have online sources. We have SharePoint and Microsoft Exchange and 365 and Salesforce. We have other sources, table ranges from web. You kind of get the idea of how big this is. We have combined queries. Then there are data sources and query options and launch power queries and on and on and on. That's an overview. If we click this test CSV, that'll take us to internal sources if we have it. You can grab information from the web, from table ranges, existing sources. You can build all of this on your own. If we want a text file, we can go text. Let's say we want a CSV file because that's what we just clicked. We can hit tax rates. Let's go here to tax rates and we can just click this. Import. We're going to import that tax rate, which is internal. That's just sitting on my F drive. We'll import it. There's a preview of this text file. It's in CSV, which is comma separated values. If we want to load that data, we load it and it's going to load on another worksheet, but we can load it. There's the information and it's been transformed over into, this is still probably CSV. Anyway, I don't want to delve into this too deep. That's how you import a CSV file. And if we need to clean this up, we could. We want to get rid of this, just hit delete, delete. That's just a quick 3-minute introduction into importing and cleaning data. Cleaning data, I will introduce to you in section 6.
Brad Williams, XL Prime, out. Williams out.